So let's try an example together. Here we want to construct a scatter diagram, describe the correlation, and interpret the relationship between the variables. So in this table, x is representing wind velocity in 10 centimeters per second. Y is representing the drift rate of sand. Okay, so we need to plot these points. So the most important thing when you're drawing a graph is to make sure you label your axis correctly with the correct rate of change and the units. So my x values are all between 70 and like 125. So I did a scale jump so that I could start at 70 and go to 130. Remember to keep that in mind if you want to jump to a number and then start a scale. And my y values, since they're all between 0 and 70, I just went by tens. I didn't need a scale jump here. So don't forget to label your axis with what each variable is. So now that I have my axis labeled, that's really the battle. Now I can plot some of these points. I'll do them in a different color. So just like Algebra 1, pre-algebra, plotting points. So 73, somewhere about here. Let's see, 115, and then up to 45 would be about here. 105 up to about 21 is here. 82 to 7 is about here. 93 to 16, about there. 125 to 62 is about up here. And then 88 to 12 is about here. So I see that this has a moderately positive linear correlation. That means R is somewhere in between 0 and 1. We don't know exactly what yet. And I can say, as x is increasing, so is y. So if my interpretation is as the wind velocity increases, the drift rate of sand increases. Very simple. As x increases, y increases, but I'm using the terms that were defined to us in the problem. So this is R, drawing a scatter plot by hand and interpreting.